Guys, I'm done. I'm done with the small chops. This is what we have here. What we have here is what I've been doing since on the packaging stage. Hi, beautiful people. You guys, this is all I achieved on a very particular day, Saturday. I did all this single-handedly. Yes, I said yes. The only thing that the assistant I had here was just the packaging. My sister and my husband assist in the package. My face, is it showing tiredness? Is it really showing tiredness? If I tell you what this face has undergone today, you won't believe it. Trust me. It's not by my power. This is God's strength at work. Not my own strength. Trust me. It's not out of my own will. I can do this. This is what I have achieved today. What I achieved today, guys. Guys, you can feel that fish head. The head is heading, right? This is our sweet and sumptuous moi moi. This is what we have achieved today. Apart from the small chops, this is what we have achieved today. And this is our sweet and sumptuous fried rice. And this is our jollof rice, Nigeria jollof rice. Trust me, if you see, my camera is not doing justice to this rice, honestly. And getting to the venue of where I cater for 40 persons, I started frying their own puff puff. I fried their puff puff, their small chops. I fried their small chops, including spring rolls, samosa, and the puff puff with the chicken I've already grilled at home. So I packaged it this way, and my friends were helping to serve it. I called 2 people that came to assist me in this location. We stayed to this location till 1:30 a.m. in the middle of the night. This is me freestyling, telling myself, you have done well. It was not easy, trust me, but let me be honest with you. The strength I use in working on this very day, it is not my strength. It is from God. If it's out of my own will, I will not be able to achieve everything I did that day. The next day, I will not tell you the result of what happened. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay? Thank you so much for always supporting. Have a good day, guys. I love you all. And please, don't skip the adverts on this video. Trust me, it goes a long way for me. God bless you. While I was in this kitchen doing this, I got another order to prepare owo soup. But here you can hear my reply from the voice notes. Just listen and see. Thank you. This actually is what I can do, but this is what I just finished now. This is, you can see today, I didn't even come out at the church fair. It's my sister that is there selling for me. So this is what I just finished doing right now. Moi moi. I have fried rice too. And I have jollof rice over there. So, and I'm going to cater it somewhere. So I can't be able, it's not like I can't cook. I can cook it, but I can't be able to take the order because it's so urgent. Because by the time I finish serving these people this night, I don't know when I'll be back, and I can't be able to go to the market. It will be late. That's just the thing. Had it been something like next week, I would have said no problem. So that's the thing. Thank you so much for looking out for me. Thank you.